Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the ways to find me or find yourself on REDnote. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the REDnote app on your phone. Then click on the three lines on the top left hand side and head over to settings on the bottom left. As you can see privacy settings, go ahead and tap on it. Scroll a bit down and you can see under relationship settings, there are ways to find me. So just go ahead and tap on it, and there are various ways how people might find you. So there are show me to the people who might know me, show me to their last relationship, hide my post in nearby feed, and hide my notes on MS search. So you can just go ahead and enable all of this if you want people to find you. But if you want to go incognito and want this private account to be totally private, just go ahead and disable all of these ways to find me settings and nobody will be able to contact you. But if you want a public profile and want a lot of connections on the REDnote app, just go ahead and enable it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.